These cash cow channels are earning $15,000 to $50,000 per month without showing their face or recording anything with their camera or phone. And if you are looking for a profitable niche to get started with your own cash cow YouTube channel and earn anywhere from between $15,000 to $50,000 per month with it, you are in the right place, because all the 6 niches I am going to reveal are getting millions of views per month because of their evergreen demand and highly profitable nature, and will pay you forever. So let's get into it. But before that, like and subscribe will be appreciated after watching the video, only if you think the video provided you with a solid value. So the first niche is this. This channel is making $14,000 per month without showing his face, just doing minimum work, and is gaining almost 4 million views per month. So the channel is working and has demand. So the channel is called Quotes. This channel was started only 1 year ago and is making over $150,000 a year. It has uploaded 100 videos so far, and this channel takes the best quotes from the most famous people and philosophers from the past and make a video like this.
On the day you were born, and the day you find out why. Never argue.
You can easily copy and paste this and model your own channel around this channel. You can just search by popular and see which recent video in a month or less than a week has gained more views than other. Then you can just model your channel using Canva and remake the video from it, and just give the voiceover by yourself or hire someone on Upwork or Fiverr, and you will be good to go. So the second niche is this. This channel is making around $6,000 per month in the celebrity niche and has gained 1.5 million views in the last 28 days. Just by making videos on what's happening in the Hollywood, and the name of the channel is called Viral Vision. This channel is working great because in the Hollywood there's always something new happening which you can use to rank your videos and gain thousands and millions of views without much subscriber base. And the trick is you need to be quick to see which videos are working on the competition channels and model your video around it. And you can make $100K dollars just by doing an hour work daily. For example, here's a demo of the video.
Couple of months. During their very turbulent relationship, Kim K and Kanye were, as far as we know, loyal to each other. There were false rumors about Kanye cheating on her, but they...
So the third niche is this. You can see this Faceless cash cow channel is making $56,000 a month and it's gained 14 million views per 28 days. And this channel is a movie facts and Easter egg niche. You will be surprised to know that this channel was started within a year and is already making more than $50,000 with this channel, and the name of the channel is called Movies Logic. And I know this channel has a lot of shorts, so the revenue can be a little less, but he is consistently publishing long form content which is also gaining a lot of views. Monetization of the shorts are here, so the channel is going to make a lot of money with the AdSense revenue. For example, like this video.
Well, here's our breakdown to help you uncover some details you might have missed. We start off with a faraway view of a cool looking castle. Not just cool awesome, but cool cause it's...
You can easily start your channel, and if you want to know where you can get the facts for these type of videos, I have a detailed video in link in description, or I can give you the secret sauce here. The site is called imb.com, and you can just search the movie you want and go under the trivia tag, and there you go. But change the wording so YouTube doesn't think you're just copy pasting, because competition channels may have the same video. So use a paraphrasing bot like Quillbot for ease. And now for this gold information, unlike the video and subscribe right now. It will be much appreciated. Thank you. Before I get to the following remaining 3 niches, I want to share my secret sauce which I like to refer as the golden advice to get success in YouTube cash cow channels. But make sure to watch the full video till end for amazing niches and results. I recommend you to post at least 30 videos consistently in a month and do it for at least 3 months if possible, and analyze what is working and do more of it. I highly recommend you that your channel will get traction, and it will be very possible to even get monetized. So just do this before quitting, and it might give you the success and change your life and give you the ability to quit your 9-to-5 job. And because most of the people will start a YouTube cash cow channel but will quit right after posting 10 videos in a month. So keep it up, and my blessings are with you, my friend. And choose the niche you have interest so you can work effortlessly and enjoy the process. So like and subscribe and comment if this video helped you or not, and what you want to learn about next. So the next niche is this. YouTube cash cow channel is making $14,000 per month without showing face and just doing minimal work, and this channel has gained almost 4 million views per month. So this channel is definitely working, and the channel is in the travel niche. So this is an evergreen channel because people love to travel, and the name of the channel is called Touropia. And the video format of these videos are also easy to make, like this video.
Massive glaciers, staggering mountains, plains dotted with wild animals. We sure live in a big, beautiful world. And while pinpointing all of Mother Nature's greatest hits could take a lifetime,
You can use the free stock footage of the place and add some background music and a voiceover of your voice, or pay someone a Fiverr. And for the script, you can find the inspiration from the article on the internet or blogs about the place you want to make video around. So the next niche is this. This channel is making $49,000 per month without showing his face and gains almost 12 million views in last 28 days. This shows that the channel is gaining a lot of traction and working great. So the channel is in the engineering niche, and the name of the channel is called Interesting Engineering. They show you the engineering marvels in the storytelling format, and you have interest in engineering niche, you can definitely try this cash cow channel and just use the footage provided by the company on their website on the internet and mix it with a good editing and a voiceover to make it a good storytelling video, and keep the video quality up because it makes the viewers watch the videos far long. And for the topic, you can just see which videos are gaining more views than the other videos within a month or weeks, and just model their video and make your own video on the topic like this.
Incredible story. The story of how I met planes. People have been filled with a desire to fly.
So the next channel is this right here, making $18,000 per month, and I think the original amount is way higher because Social Blade is limited to a CPM of 25 cents to $4. This channel is gaining almost 5 million views in 28 days, and this channel is a mixed niche in which the channel features many different topics that range from health, wellness to love and relationship, psychology, self-improvement, motivation, interesting facts, but mostly in love and relationship niche. And the videos are very simple to make like this.
Don't stick that butter knife in the toaster. But apart from the obvious, there's no manual for life. Most of us fumble through life's ups and downs.
You just need a free copyright footage, and for the script you can find an article or blog post, and you can just see the subtitles of the video you want to model and make a new video script around it. And use a voiceover, you can model this channel, and with the voiceover you can model this channel and thus start earning money from Cash Cow YouTube channel easily. A like and subscribe will be welcome only if you believe this value has offered you a significant value so far. And really thank you so much for watching this far. So there you go. All the best with the YouTube Cash Cow Automation channel, and if you have watched till far, I highly recommend you to watch the video on the screen for more Cash Cow YouTube channels and strategies to make money online as a beginner. Take care and have a good day.